In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Xero account. Let's dive right in and get you started with this fantastic accounting tool. First, you'll want to head over to the Xero website. Once there, you'll notice a few different options at the top of the page. Look for the Login button. This is your gateway to either logging into an existing account or beginning your journey with Xero if you're a new user. Now, if you don't already have an account, don't worry. What you need to do is click on the Sign Up link. This will guide you to all the options you need to set up your account. You might see an opportunity to purchase a plan, but don't feel pressured to do that just yet. If you're interested in checking out what Xero has to offer, you can choose to try it out for free. Find the option that says Try Xero for free, which grants you a 30-day free trial. This is a perfect way to explore the features and see if Xero is the right fit for your needs. Once you've selected the free trial, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. This includes your name, last name, email, and phone number. There's also a box that you'll need to check to confirm that everything's correct. This is just a standard procedure to ensure all your provided details are right. After this step, you'll be directed to fill out some necessary fields. This part is quite intuitive. Just follow the prompts on your screen and you'll be on your way. Xero's instructions are designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, guiding you seamlessly through the process. Take your time here to input all the required information accurately. This will ensure that your account is set up correctly and you don't encounter any issues later on. Once you have successfully completed the sign-up process, congratulations, you now have access to your very own Xero account. From here, you can begin exploring the various features that Xero offers. Dive into the dashboard, check out the different tools available for managing your finances, and get a feel for how everything works. You can start organizing your transactions, setting up invoicing, or even learning how to generate detailed financial reports. That's it for setting up your Xero account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoyed diving into all the capabilities Xero provides. Remember, taking the time now to become familiar with the platform can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage your finances in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!